Alright, let me show you what's going on here. This meter is about ready to click off. I'm testing out this new Douk Audio amplifier, which has a line level subwoofer out. I'm going to be using this in my new build, you know, the Blue Igloo 60 quart cooler. So I'm doing a shakedown test of this amplifier. Now this is the higher power 32 to 35 volt amplifier versus the small one up here, which is 100 watts times 2. This one's rated at 160 times 2, which is, if I get 80 watts per channel out of this, clean, be good. So, what I'm testing is a little gizmo I hooked up here, how much current this thing draws through a DC to DC step-up booster, and I've got it set for 35.86 volts feeding into this amplifier. It comes with a 32 volt adapter at 5 amps. So 150, 160 watts, right? And this is a little, this is the same thing, kind of, sort of. But this is a an old DC-DC step-up booster that I had. Constant current through a little 5 amp hour battery, and I got some charger alligator clip-ons right there to keep the battery going. But you saw how much current it was drawing. It was pushing 6 amps. I saw 9 amps before it started to distort. But I have a 36 volt step-up booster, you know, one of those all-enclosed waterproof ones, and I can't find it. I can't find it. Darn it. So I had to revert back to this old school one. But I've got another one on order, which is an 8 amp unit to power this guy. And so far the shakedown is good. I got it on Bluetooth with the antenna. And like I said, it has a subwoofer out, and I've got a wire running down to an active subwoofer. It has an amplifier in it, 10-inch Douk Audio unit, and this thing just cranks, cranks, cranks. I think we got a winner here. The speakers right and left are these guys right up here that I modified here in the garage. I'm using these for TV speakers, but just thumping the living hell out of these speakers. So there you have it. This is gonna be a winner. It has a USB input right there and Bluetooth. Then you got RCA, and then you got off. Pretty slick, pretty slick. And they've made these cleaner sounding. It says the total harmonic distortion at 1 kilohertz is 0.04%, and it sounds pretty damn clean. It sounds pretty damn clean. But I just want to do some testing here and show you where I'm at. I should be getting that Igloo box in today. Now, for the actual build itself, I'm going to be using this VAD power amplifier, car stereo amplifier, VAD M2, in bridge mode. So I should be able to get about 300 watts in bridge mode, and it has a subwoofer. See there? I can do a crossover right there with there, and sensitivity. This will work out really good. This is a very, very powerful unit. I'm going to throw that in there too with a 10-inch Scar Audio sub. So in total, I'll have rated 160 watts times 2 for the main speakers, which will be Alpine 6.5-inch coaxials. This probably about 300 watts. So total power, in my best estimate, around 450, maybe 500. It'll be a loud beach, you know, whatever, throw around portable box versus heavy ammo can type style. So that's the whole mad science idea, and so far so good, except this right here is pissing me off. This is a 10 amp unit. It's holding its own, but I don't like these. I like the enclosed ones, and I got one on order from China, and they say it'd take about a month to month and a half, like 6 weeks to come in. So I'm gonna have to suffice using this piece of crap old one. It's not a piece of crap, it's just, you know, it's all exposed and stuff. I just don't like that. I like it marine waterproof version ones. I just can't find it. So there you have it. Fun times. Stay cool and we'll see you next time. Oh, solar stuff right there. Hot in this garage.